So we have this the left hand side and this the right hand side. Okay, so when you look closely, you find out that as squared in the left hand side will cancel as squared in the right hand side. What else can cancel? C in the left hand side will also cancel C in the right hand side. What remains becomes that 4a plus b all multiplied by x, then plus 4a plus 2b, which is equals to bx plus 2. Okay, we are going to equate coefficients. Equating coefficients, we are going to equate the coefficient of x in the left hand side and that of coefficient of x in the right hand side. As a matter of fact, equating coefficient of x in the left hand side. What is the coefficient of x in the left hand side here is 4a plus b, which is 4a plus b, which is equals to coefficient of x in the right hand side. And the coefficient of x in the right hand side is said to be what? B, which is equals to b. So we are going to simplify. If we simplify this, we find out that, of course, our 4a will be equals to, we already have b here. This b crossing over becomes minus b. Hence, our 4a will be equals to b minus b, automatically will give us 0. Our target is to find the value of a. Since our target here is to find the value of a, we are going to divide both sides by its coefficient, which is 4. So dividing both sides by dividing both sides by 4. We're going to have this to be 4a equals to 0. Divide the left hand side by 4. Divide the right hand side by what? 4. We are going to have okay, let me clean up. This 4 here will cancel this 4. What left here becomes a, which is equals to 0 divided by 4, automatically will give us 0. So we have found the value of a to be 0. Now, remember we equated the coefficient of x. Now, what remaining here are the constants. We need to equate the constants in the left hand side and that of the right hand side to see what we have. Okay, let's call this equation I as the solution of a. Now, for the constants, what is the constant in the left hand side? Said to be 4a plus 2b. 4a plus 2b, which is equals to the constant in the right hand side. And the only constant in the right hand side here is 2. So this is equals to 2. Let me clean the board. Okay, now do we know a? Yes, we know a now. Our a is said to be 0, but our a has been gotten to be 0. Therefore, we now have 4. Instead of a, we replace it to be what? 0. Then plus what? 2b, which is equals to 2. Therefore, 4 times 0 automatically will give us 0 plus 2b, which is equals to 2. Therefore, we now have that 2b is equals to 2. Our target is to find the value of b. Hence, we now make b the subject of the formula. How do we do that? We now divide both sides by the coefficient of b, which is what? 2. Dividing both sides, by 2. If we do that, we're going to have, of course, we have 2b equals to 2. Divide the left hand side by 2. Also, divide the right hand side by 2. Such that these two will cancel these two. What left side becomes b, which is equals to 2 here is said to be 1. All upon 2 here is said to be 1. Therefore, 1 divided by 1 is said to be 1. Hence, our b is equals to 1. Now, we have found the value of a. Remember, from the question where f of s was given, and we're asked to find f of x plus 2, and that of, we're asked to find the values of a, b, and that of c. And we have found the value of a to be 0, also found the value of b to be 1. What is remaining is c. Found out that c becomes arbitrary because they terminate themselves. So c is said to be what? Arbitrary. Hence, our a is said to be 0, our b is said to be 1, and our c is said to be what? Arbitrary. Thank you very much. Always like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.